Okay, hello, welcome to this brief weather update. We got to talk about these crazy temperatures across the area. My gosh, 81 in the city, 80s across a lot of Long Island too. We're going to look at some observations right now. The temperatures are just soaring with the west winds coming in. LaGuardia has 80. This is Jackson Heights, 80 degrees. Dew points down to 42. Winds gusting up to 46 miles an hour. Let's hope there aren't any fires today. Look at this, a 54 mile an hour wind gust in New York Bay. Temperature 78 degrees. And we have 80s across Long Island too as well, even on the South Shore. 81 in Wantagh right now. 81 in Hofstra. 81 in Carl Place. The wind gust to 33. 82 with a wind gust to 43 at Farmingdale. So quite warm across Nassau County. Yes, you head into Suffolk. There's a little more relief from out in the heat. From the heat, 66 at Islip. But I think that when the westerly winds come in, they'll get into the heat too. Because if we go and we look, and of course we'll look at New Jersey, but it's just as hot there as well. Oh well, it's actually hotter there. Well, what do you know? 84 in Toms River. We have an 82 degree reading at Miller Air Park. This is insanity, guys. Absolute insanity how hot it was today. It really overperformed again. That's what some of my viewers were saying, that we were going to overperform, and they were right. Wind gust to 32, so we don't have to worry about some fire weather conditions. There was some rain, but I'm still worried about it. With it so hot, it's going to dry things out pretty quick. And again, it's very, very hot across the area today. We're going to look again at this as well. This is the Wonderground website here, where you can take a look and see that the 81. I mean, it's like being in a blast furnace compared to what it's March. It shouldn't be this warm. The only relief, you got to be right on the beach, 56 at Jones Beach. But other than that, the only relief is going to be inside. And luckily, I have the air conditioner on here, and it's staying nice and cool, thank God. But this is insanity. This heat is just insanity across the 81 at Half Hollow. Call that Half Hollow, I guess. But just 80s all throughout western part. I would say anything west of the Sagatos, you are in the 80s. Babylon's still 63. They're trying to hold on to that sea breeze, but we have this really strong westerly wind. It's going to push the sea breeze offshore, and everybody is going to get near 80 degrees today. That is quite a large anomaly, and record highs shattered across, I'm sure, our entire area. Everybody broke their record highs. This is very unusual to see this kind of warm weather, this kind of hot weather in March. Very unusual and very disturbing, and I'll have more for you later in the weather update tonight. Stay cool.